In this video, I will be showing you how to work on the prompts of the Midjourney, and it's a pretty simple thing to do. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. I will be providing the Midjourney link in the description below and all the websites that I'm going to use in this video so you guys won't miss anything. So let's dive right into it. So first thing first, what you need to know is that what are prompts in the Midjourney. So the prompt is a short text phrase that the Midjourney bot interrupts to produce an image. The Midjourney bot breaks down the words and phrases into prompts into smaller pieces called tokens that are compared to its training data and then used to generate an image. A well-crafted prompt can help make unique and exciting images. So first thing first, a basic prompt can be as simple as a single word phrase or emoji. For example, what you have to do is to type in the backslash imagine, and in the backslash imagine, what you have to do is to type in the prompt, then in the prompt, which you will write the text here. So simply you have to write a description of what you are imagining right now. So after that, the bot will create an image out of your description. So if you want to use an advanced prompt, what you have to do is to simply type in the image prompt URL that image that you're using, and after that the description of what image, and then the parameters, the versions that you're gonna use. So in this video I will be showing you exactly how you can do it. So let's go to the Discord. So here what you have to do is to go to the imagine and type in the prompt. What you have to do is to type the basic description of your imagination, then the versions. For example, I'm going to use the AR, then stylize, and then the variation. So after that, let's see what outcome it gives us. So these are some of the images that ChatGPT has shown us, and we can select between any of it. For example, if I want to go with the third image, I can go with third image like this, and it will zoom in the third image. So that's how you can use it. I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.